ready? Okay. We have this graph here, and then we have a problem. Karen rides her bicycle along a straight road from home to school, starting at time t is equal 0 minutes and arriving at school at time 12 minutes. During the time interval from 0 to 12 minutes, her velocity Vt in miles per minute is modeled by the piecewise linear function whose graph is shown above, right here. So for part A, we have to find the acceleration of car and bicycle at time t is equal 7.5 minutes. Indicate the units of measure. So here's Karen. She started to go in school, so we have to find her acceleration at t is equal 7.5 minutes, and we did that. Here's the stuff. That's the acceleration stuff, so it's the derivative. We have to do like the slope graph, which is right here in the graph, 0.2 minus 0.3 divided by 8 minus 7, which is negative 0.1 divided by 1, which is negative 0.1 miles per minute squared. That's the acceleration of car. So for second part, using correct units, explain the meaning of integral sign 0 to 12 v absolute value Vt dt in terms of current strip. Find the value of integral sign 0 to 12 absolute value v of t dt, and we did that. It's right here, part B, still talking about car. Integral sign, this thing, means the total distance in miles in 12 minutes. So we have integral sign 0 to 12 Vt dt is equal to 2 times 0.2 divided by 2 plus 2 times 0.2 divided by 2 plus 1 times 0.3 divided by 2 plus 1 times 0.3 plus 10.2 plus 0.3 times 1 divided by 2 plus this thing right here, and then we have 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 plus 0.3 plus 0.25 plus 0.7, all that stuff. We got 1.8 miles. So the total distance that Karen did was 1.8 miles. She did that in 12 minutes. That's amazing. Now back to the funny part, part C. We have Larry right here, even if his name is Michelangelo, doesn't matter. Larry also rides his bike along a straight road from home to school in 12 minutes. His velocity is modeled by the function W given by Wt is equal pi divided by 15 sine pi divided by 12 times t, where W of t is in miles per minute for time from 0 to 12 minutes. And the question is, who lives closer to school, Karen or Larry? Show the work that leads to your answer. So we have that, it's right here. No, that's part D. We skip part C, never mind, we're gonna do it again. So we have integral sign 0 to 12 Wt dt is equal 0 to 12 pi over 15 sine pi over 12 times t dt, which is equal 1.6 miles. And for the other one, it's 5 to 12 Vt because she forgot her homework home, so she had to go back. It was in part C because we skipped that. And then that's equal 0.15 plus 0.3 plus 0.25 plus 0.7, which is equal 1.4 miles. So the answer is that Karen lives closer to school because the distance of her house and school is shorter. So even though they got there in the same time, she forgot her homework home, which is a problem. Yeah, here's part C. Shortly after leaving home, Karen realized she left her calculus homework at home and she returns to get it. At what time does she return around to go back home? Give a reason to your answer. And we have that. At t is equal to, which is right here, she returns around to go back home because her velocity changed from positive to negative. She was walking and then she realized that she had to go back, so she went back. She stayed for a little while in home, finding her homework, and then she started running again to go to school. So we realized that Karen lives closer with Larry, but she's dumb, so because she forgot her homework, and Larry and Karen arrived home in school in the same time. Bye!